All right. So what is happening, guys? Yes, I'm Rufus Godswill, and I welcome you to my beautiful screen. So first of all, we start with the BTC, since BTC is one of our favorite financial assets. So we'll start with BTC this lovely evening. Yes, we'll be looking at BTC. We'll analyze BTC, giving it a top-down analytical approach to actually know what's happening in the market. So if we look at it from the monthly chart time frame, yes, it's clear that BTC is actually on an upward trend. Yes, the moving average has been carrying this trend. We can see that we are actually in a correction, right, in a correction cycle, right? So we have this impulse leg, and then we have this correction, right? So price corrected at the top of this previous peak. Now we have a break of this correction, and then we have an impulse move, and now price is correcting, right? And then if we go to the weekly chart time frame, it becomes even clearer, right? So we have the moving average that has been holding price, right? The last time we saw correction was somewhere here, and the price got to this point and then consolidated for a while and then gave us this triple bottom before price peaked again. And now we're having something similar happening here. We are having this double bottom here. It is triple bottom. If we go to the daily chart, you will see that it is triple bottom. So we'll have to go to the daily chart now to have a proper understanding of what's happening. Since now we know that price is actually correcting, right? We are not in a bearish trend. We are actually, even if we are in a bearish trend, it's actually temporary. So we'll go to the daily chart to see what's happening. So looking at the daily chart time frame, right, we have this correction phase, right? At the peak of this correction, we can see the triple bottom, the first correct rejection here, second rejection here, third rejection here, and then we have this 88k level acting as a resistant level, a strong resistant level. And then we have on the moving average that has been holding price from going above. So if we do see a price that close above the 88k level, it will be a strong signal that the market has started, the continuation of the trend has begun. So right now, what we are experiencing right now in the market is actually an accumulation phase. This is a phase where buyers and sellers, exchange hands. You usually find this kind of thing as the peak of every market correction, right? The moment the market is about to peak, right? Whenever the correction phase, where we have approached the peak of the correction phase, there's usually this market structure you tend to see, where this range structure you get to see, where buyers and sellers keep exchanging hand, and then smart investors. This is usually the phase where smart investors, stack up their bags and in preparation for the next move to the upside. Which in this case, if we break above the 88k, we should see BTC, eye this 100k level back. Yeah, so there you have it, guys. This is an update on BTC in a nutshell. So right now we are still in an accumulation phase, and then after this accumulation phase, if we see enough buying power to push this price above the 88k, yeah, we should be approaching the 100k as next level target. All right.